These days, pollution has an actual impact on every person on the planet. It is among the most important environmental problems we are now facing. Look around you. There is trash all over the place. Smoke from the public transportation, and unclean water running directly into the ocean. Our surroundings are starting to become contaminated. Earth, the only planet capable of supporting human life. But why do people allow this level of suffering in the world? Should we continue to be deaf and blind to the ongoing environmental issues? Our planet is being polluted. Oil and garbage are being illegally dumped to avoid disposal fees. Organized crime group are trafficking all types of waste, ditching it on land and at sea. Why? Because it makes money, almost as lucrative as drug trafficking. So what are we doing about it? Governments and international organizations are working to strengthen environmental regulations, enhance monitoring and enforcement measures, and raise awareness about responsible waste management. Cooperation among countries is crucial to address the transboundary nature of illegal waste trafficking. Citizen involvement, supporting sustainable initiatives, and advocating for stricter policies can contribute to the collective effort in combating the environmental challenge. Environmental crime is a crime that impacts on all of us. Wake up from your dream by opening your eyes. Act now before it's too late. Our ecosystem can be saved by children, teenagers, parents, and even the elderly. By conserving and safeguarding natural resources and bolstering environmental protection, pollution prevention helps. Be brave enough. We will and we can prevent this.